Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't mind me wearing same, if you see my video wearing same t-shirt again and again, because I'm making back-to-back videos and wearing same thing. It's very hot. I'm comfortable with this t-shirt, so please don't mind me wearing this. Now today's video I want to show something, like I wanted to share with you people. कुछ नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही शेयर कर रहे हैं. तो ये एक लिपस्टिक है जो when I went to Avni Mall, I bought it from a stall. कोई ऐसे ही शौक था, because I found that case very attractive. So I thought, okay, it cost 45 rupees. Okay, buy it. I bought it around 2 years back. I don't know when my cousin had come from Rajasthan. That time I had bought. I don't remember exactly. So this is the lipstick. It comes in a pencil sort of case. कोई ad नहीं, nothing, no reviews, just ऐसे I wanted to share something which I have and I wanted to show you people. Okay, so this is a pencil sort of lipstick and the color is also purple. See, nice one. I don't use it because the quality is not nice, but for showcase, like, very cute. Smells like blueberry, blackberry, some berry sort of smell, very nice. And one thing I really like, very funny or very interesting, not funny, when you apply see, I think you can, it's a purple lipstick, but when you apply it is a pink color one, and one thing comes out. I don't know what it is. I think a wax sort of lipstick. As soon as I applied, as soon as I applied, something came out. Some wax sort of thing has come out. So this is the lipstick, and it was in pink, purple lipstick, purple color bullet, pink stain. Now as soon as I rub this, let me rub it from my hand. See the shade. It seems like I have played Holi. It's not visible well in camera. Why? It's dark pink. I can see dark pink. You can see a shade lighter. So this is dark pink. Purple bullet, when you apply it's light pink, and when you rub or when you remove it, it stains like very dark pink shade. So this was interesting, so I thought I wanted to share with you people. See my hands. If you want to play Holi कहीं ऐसा लिपस्टिक दिखे, खरीद के खेल लेना होली, ऐसा स्टेन आ जाएगा. ये इंटरेस्टिंग था, मन किया शेयर किया. कुछ भी नहीं था आगे पीछे, बस I thought to share something that I have very interesting. I don't use it, but अच्छा लगता है. As a lipstick showcase in your lipstick. Whatever it is. So if you found it little bit funny, interesting, or if you found my lipstick very interesting, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I have no subscribers. Please like it. Give me some sort of motivation and something that I feel like making new videos, some confidence in me that I can do well, I can perform well, I can express well, I can be happy, and I can do something good in my life. Make me feel like that. Subscribe it, like it. So meet you next time in another video. Till then, bye. Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. कभी भी एक बार में नहीं होता मेरे